significance of fruit and seed. Okay, here the crop production or the crop can be obtained by seedling of the seeds. So, fruit and seeds are more and more significant for the farmers. Generally, the seeds which are there, they contain little amount of moisture, and this moisture will help in retaining its viability and its potentiality to germinate for time period depending upon the nature of the plant. So, here when the seeds become dry, that means the percentage of water or moisture in the seeds become 10 to 15%. That amount of moisture or water that is present in the dry seeds is not enough for germination. So, when we soak the seeds, so the seeds start absorbing the water from all the surface, and the enzymatic activity will start, which will help in the germination of the seeds. If the seeds are gradually become dry, they become dormant, or they will enter into a stage called as dormancy stage, where they are unable to germinate under unfavorable conditions. Unfavorable conditions means where the availability of moisture and oxygen is very less, which is not sufficient for germination process. So, that is the reason why when the seeds are dry in condition, that may cause some damage to the crop production also. Then, so here how does these fruits, how does the seeds are dispersed? So, we can call it as dispersal of the seeds. So, seeds are dispersed by different mechanisms. So, here in coconut like examples, seeds are dispersed with the help of water. They will be floating on the surface of the water. With the passive movement of the water, they will be dispersed. Whereas in Martinia, in tiger claw plant, so here the seeds will stick to, seeds are attached to the fur of animals. So, they are carried along with the animals. And whereas in some plants like fig and guava, in guava and fig plants, the seeds are eaten by the birds. Those birds are unable to digest the seed coat, but in the meantime of its digestion, what happens is the hard seed coat will become little bit smoother, and they are coming out from the insects, they are coming out from the birds, and they fall on suitable layers and start germinating. That is the way there are different methods of dispersal of the seeds are present. Then, if you observe the structure of seeds and size of seeds, there is a lot of variation in the size and number and structure of the seeds produced by various species of plants and various genera of plants.